Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup look for you and I'm going to use the Morphe palette, and this is the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, and I'm going to use these colors, this one, and this one. And I already did my foundation, contour, and concealer. So let's start. So first I'm going to use the orange color called Embers. And I'm using a blending brush, this one. And I'm going to place that all over my lid. And you can pack that color on because we want to see it pop. And you can also go on your crease as well. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. You know, it's springtime, so I love these colors for spring. And also a little bit on your outer corner. Okay, so we've created this round shape on our eyes. So we're going to take the next color, which is a brown color called Disrupt. And we're going to place that right here on the outer corner. And we're going to darken up that area. And just blend that color out with the orange color. Okay, and then taking the orange color again, just to brighten this area a little bit more up. Because we want the orange to stand out more than the brown color. Okay, we're gonna wipe off the fallout. And before I go on, I forgot my nose contour. I don't know why, but I always forget it. So let's do that first, and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to take the color, the OG, which is the lighter brown color I showed you. And we're going to place that under our brows. Okay, now I'm going to put the same colors under my eyes. And I'm going to use the orange color first. And this goes on the inner corner. And then the brown color on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Wild Chameleon palette, and it has this gorgeous golden color, this one, and I'm going to place that on the inner corner of my eyes. And you can also drag it a little bit more outwards, you know, to blend it with the orange color. And also up. Alright, now it's time for brows and lashes. So first I'm gonna do my eyebrows and come back. Okay, brows are done. Now I'm going to put on mascara and then my lashes. But before I do that, I want to use a brown pencil liner, and I'm going to create a wing line. And I think I'm using a liquid eyeliner. That's better. Then you will see the color better. Okay, now I'm going to do my lashes. So first mascara, and then your fake lashes. Okay, my mascara is on, and now I'm going to use the Lilly lashes in the style Aspen. And while our lashes are drying, I'm also going to use lower lashes and put them on. Okay, now all our lashes are on. And now we're going to put on some blush. And I'm going to use the Kiko Charming Escape Silky Blush. This one. And it's a beautiful peachy color. And we're going to blend this out with our beauty blender, but just lightly. And now putting on some bronzer. And then blend this also out. And I am going to use the Kylie Jenner lip liner and lipstick in the color Kylie. And I'm going to darken it up a little bit using the MAC lipstick in Derriere. And I'm just going to use my fingers. And now it's more brown toned, like the eyes. Okay guys, this is the final look. So I'll show you the eyes. And lots of lashes. So I think this look turned out really pretty. So yeah, if you want to know how to recreate this look, then go ahead and take out your makeup stuff and just go for it. And I will see you in my next video, of course, on Monday always. And like and subscribe to this video and comment down below. And I will see you on Monday next week. Bye bye.